Hey babes. Hey Nene Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a shop with me for packaging, okay? Okay, so a lot of people don't like to share where they get their packaging from. You can get it from a lot of places. You can get it from Alibaba. You could just Google packaging. I get mine from dollar store, but I also get my packaging from Alibaba too, but not my shipping packaging. I'm actually gonna work on that in the summer. So yeah, right now I'm gonna take you guys with me to go shop for some packaging and show you guys what to do. Like if you don't have a lot of money like me, like I'm a college student, I just got done paying my books, and anybody that knows a nursing student, these books is not cheap. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the court. So buckle up, put that seatbelt on. Okay, y'all, your girl is in the car. So hold on, let me start this car up. So basically, I already have went shopping for a little bit of packaging, but when I get a side of money or whatever, or just not even a side of money, just something that I want to stock up on packaging. That's one thing you want to do, is you want to stock up on packaging. If you don't have money or whatever, you stock up on package when you do have the money, and just stock up just in case. Because for me, I have the money. Okay, I have the money. Even if you do have the money and say like you don't have time, like you're a college student or whatever, like me, I'm a college student, or you're a high school student, whatever, you want to stock up on packaging, because when I get home and whatever, and like I ran out of packaging a couple days ago or whatever, I'm like, dang, you know, I don't have this, I don't have that. So I like to stock up ahead, so then when I don't really have to run out, and when I see that I'm getting low, I just go to the store instead of, oh, I didn't ran out, I gotta go to the store buy all of this stuff. So I try to stock up as much as I can, but I'm trying not to stock up too much because I am moving and I don't want to move all that packaging. But honestly, I also don't want to, like, college student is really hard, especially a nursing student. So I just try to buy what I can and get what I can. But y'all, if the money is struggling, if you're struggling with money right now, baby, let me tell you something. It will not be for long, okay, sis? Oh, hold on, my dad's car. I almost hit that man's car. He would have had a whole fit with me. He gonna be like, yeah. No. But yeah, so if money is a struggle for you right now, baby, don't let that discourage you from starting your business. Start your business. Start off little. And if you can't do that, just save up money for your business, okay? And your girl can't drive when she's talking. But yeah. Oh, also, I definitely want to tell you guys that the lashes that I have on right now are from my website. It's called Lovely. Look, Lovely is looking so lovely on me. Oh my goodness, why are you in the street, baby? Whoa! Yeah, these lashes are mine. The lash style is called Lovely. I also have some more, and guess what, you guys? My mink lashes are affordable, but I'm bringing more lashes to the website. Can't wait to show you guys. But anyways, also I definitely want to say that I'm gonna share more stuff, so don't think that when I start my series, hold on, when I start my series it's like one video. It's definitely not one video. It's more than just one video. I just don't want to put too much in one video. You get it? You get it. So yeah, make sure you comment down below, what do you want me to record? Do you want me to record how I process my orders? How do I get my money from my website? What website do I use? I mean, it's kind of simple, because I have the thing on my website right now as my domain for right now. And why did I switch Big Cartel to Wix? Stuff like that. Just let me know, babes. I would love to help you guys out. I'm not stingy with the information, the packaging, whatever I do. I'm not stingy. I honestly feel like everybody has a place to win, and you can win too. Like, we can all be on the same winning status, okay? I don't know why people be so stingy. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking to you guys before I get in a car accident, because sis, why are you braking? It's a green light. But yeah, y'all, so we here at the dollar store. Let's go and let's shut up. I was trying to be cute, but couldn't even be cute. see. I'm walking. I'm a pedestrian. Hit me if you want to. Okay, let's go to the, look, I got a whole cart. Explain details. We are going to go into this section. So I usually get one of these to put it in my boxes, and I'll show you guys how I pack the orders later. But I want to see if they have pink ones, and if they don't, Dollar Tree, not Dollar Tree, Walmart has it, or I can just go to another Dollar Tree, but I don't feel. And then these are my drop-off bags. I usually use these, but if it's a big order, I usually get a bigger one, but not this color. This color is too, I mean, I could, but let me see if they have some over here. Oh no, they don't. But it's like $2 a bag. Not that bad. Oh, let me show you guys. Are these gift cards or gift boxes? Oh, like if you put your jewelry, if you have jewelry or whatever, it's like jewelry boxes. Yeah, jewelry boxes for your, maybe I should get these because I'm actually gonna be launching jewelry. My boxes that I put in for my lashes are these. These are the gift boxes. These are the gift boxes, and they're 3 in a pack, but these come in handy, and I'll show you on my other video on how it is. And I'm gonna just get some more of those. And then they have tape, and then they have like ribbons if you want to put ribbons on your stuff. I might put it on the, maybe I should use my ribbon that I have now, but I'm gonna get tape, extra tape, because your girl love using tape. What else? Oops, I almost fell in the dollar store. See, other dollar stores have other things, so that's another thing. Go to other dollar stores, but I just don't have the energy to just be going to other dollar stores. But go to other dollar stores. Usually I go with my sister or something, and I go. My wig probably looking a little off right now, y'all. Sorry, I gotta comb it or whatever. But now I'm gonna show you guys some of the packaging I use from, well, that's the packaging, but the bubble wraps and stuff that I use from here. Speaking of, I need some scissors because I be struggling. Oops. I got some scissors. $1. They have unlimited mailers right up here. Usually your dollar store should have that. What else? And I know y'all probably like, you don't feel weird recording in front of people? Girl, when you have the I don't care mentality, you'll do good in life. Especially when not caring about what people think. You care sometimes, but not all the time. They have boxes too if you want to ship your packaging in these boxes. It's just $1, like, y'all, seriously. I think they sold out, but they're like bubble wrap. I'll show you guys at home. But they have those too. And like, you guys can get like little journals and stuff, vision boards. I was gonna get myself a vision board. I might as well get a vision board for my business, what I want, what's my goals for my business. They have like little booklets so you can like basically jot down your ideas for your business. I'm just saying, just think of the affordable way of packaging. Don't spend too much on packaging. Spend a lot on your products, not packaging. You could spend some money on packaging, but especially when you're starting off, don't spend a lot, okay? Please don't, sis. Don't stress yourself out. Yeah, so let's get to checkout. Okay, y'all, so that was the vlog. I just want to show you guys, just in case if I was moving too quick, but these are the boxes. These are what it looks like at the dollar store. This is what the boxes look like. It comes 3 boxes in the package, but you guys will see how I process my orders later in my other series vlog. So that's that. These are my drop-off package gift bags. They look like this. They're pink, pretty. And then also this is what the jewelry boxes look like. The decorative is shreds, pink and white. That's what I put in the drop-off gift bags. These. And what else did I get that I need to show you guys? I just got tape and scissors or whatever. But yeah, that's it. The total of my cost was, I think, $21 and something cents. Really, really affordable for all of this stuff I done got. Like, I'm finna show you guys my junkie cart right now. Like, for $21. Some stuff fell out the bags. But yeah, all of this for $21. Do not spend too much on packaging if you cannot afford it. So yeah, and even if you can afford it, and say like you're in college or something, save that money for later, unless you like you putting in some good money and some good stuff. But for shipping and stuff like that, it shouldn't cost too much, but it should be cute and it should look like you care about your customers, but it shouldn't be too pricey. Okay, don't be too pricey. Unless you like a billionaire or something, a millionaire, then you can do that. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Thank you all for watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting me. Don't forget to smash on that like button, and don't forget to comment down below to suggest more series on what I should do on my Entrepreneur Boss Lady series. And don't forget to subscribe, sis. You're gonna get a lot of these videos right now. I'm gonna come home, edit this video, and post it. It's probably gonna be up today. So what are you doing, boo? Smash on that. All consistency, all 2019. And go ahead and buy some lashes. This is lovely. Buy some lashes. They're affordable. And yeah, so talk to you guys in the next video.